In previous video, we talked about what is social engineering. In this video, we are going to talk about how to avoid being a victim of social engineering. Here are a few simple tips. Please never share your OTP, Aadhaar or bank details with anyone over text or calls. The bank, government or any other genuine organization will never ask you for such details. Please do not click on any unknown links received through SMS, emails or personal DMs. Please do not respond to calls or emails or any messages offering you easy admission, jobs or money. These are hotspots of cyber frauds. Please do not respond to unknown video calls over WhatsApp or social media. Never be in a hurry if a caller threatens you about some situation. These are mostly fake stories cooked up by scammers to intimidate their victims. Please be alert and use your presence of mind. Lastly, do offline verifications and cross checks whenever possible. Stay cyber safe.